Good morning, Dukes. I cannot get him out of bed this morning. Good morning, Bubs. Good morning, Dukes. Is someone tired today? Can we start the morning? Do you want breakfast? Do you want your food? Can you get out of bed, please? Come on, let's get out of bed. I mean, he's refusing to get up, so what can you do? Okay, come on, let's go. Let's get up. Dookie, come on, let's go. Let's get up. Trying to get this man up all morning. And he's back to sleeping. He's just staring at me.